Welcome to all parents and students. Today we are going to study the next topic from the chapter matrices. Okay, so chapter number 2, maths 1, that is matrices, and the next topic is nothing but transpose of a matrix. How to find transpose of a matrix? Okay, transpose of a matrix. Very simple topic, that is transpose of a matrix. To get transpose of a matrix, if I have matrix A as 1, 2, 3, 4, suppose this is matrix A, and if I want to find transpose of this matrix, so how can I find transpose of the matrix? It's very easy. Just we have to interchange rows and columns. Means rows gets interchanged into columns and columns gets interchanged into rows. म्हणजे जो रोज असणार, जो भी रोज वहां पे रहेगा वो रोज बन जाएगा कॉलम, और जो कॉलम रहेगा वो बनेगा रो. दैट इज ऑल अबाउट ट्रांसपोज ऑफ अ मैट्रिक्स. दैट मींस A transpose, it can be written like this, A raised to T, like this, or simply you can write A dash also. A dash or AT is called as the transpose of a matrix. So transpose of A can be written as first row 1, 2. Now row are converted into column, they are interchanged into columns. So 1, 2 is the first row. Now it will become first column. So 1, 2 will be the first column. Second row 3, 4. Now 3, 4 second row. Here it will become second column. So 3, 4. This is the second column. So this is all about transpose of a matrix. Are you getting it? If matrix A is given like this, then its transpose is this. First row 1, 2 become first column 1, 2. Second row 3, 4 it becomes second column 3, 4. Okay, you can observe very easily. आप देख सकते हो. At the same time first column दिख रहा है 1, 3, ये first column था. ट्रांसपोज में वो 1, 3 अब रो में कन्वर्ट हो चुका है. Is that clear? So rows are converted into column. At the same time columns are converted into rows. This is all about transpose of a matrix. Okay. Now suppose we have a matrix like this. Suppose we have a matrix A like this, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 and 6. Suppose we have matrix A like this, 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 5, 3, 5, 6. And if I ask to find out transpose of this matrix, how can we find out transpose of the matrix? Very simple. First row will become first column, second row will become second column, and third row will become third column. So let's try. Transpose of matrix A transpose. First row 1, 2, 3 it will become first column 1, 2, 3. Second row 2, 4, 5. Now it will become second column 2, 4, 5. Third row 3, 5, 6. Now it will become third column 3, 5, 6. So I think it's pretty clear that when we get A transpose, the matrix whichever we are getting, that matrix is similar to the given matrix. Okay, after transposing A, we are getting matrix like this. This is the A transpose. Okay, but you can observe that A transpose and A both are same. A transpose and A both are same. So when A transpose and A both are same, then such a matrix is called as symmetric matrix. Which matrix? Symmetric matrix. Therefore A is symmetric matrix. Are you getting it? Therefore A is symmetric matrix. So that's the definition of symmetric matrix. So what's the definition of symmetric matrix? क्या definition है symmetric matrix का? When transpose of A means transpose of matrix and the matrix both are same, then such a matrix is called as the symmetric matrix. समझ में आ रहा है? जब मैट्रिक्स और उसका ट्रांसपोज दोनों भी सेम हो तो वो होता है सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स. नाउ जस्ट कंसीडर वन मोर एग्जांपल. ओके, लेट अस कंसीडर दिस एग्जांपल. सपोज मैट्रिक्स B is given like this, 0, 2, 3, -2 -3, then 4 -5, sorry, 0 -5, okay, then 5 and then 0. Okay, now if I want to find transpose of B, अब अगर मुझे B का ट्रांसपोज फाइंड आउट करना है, सो ट्रांसपोज ऑफ B, B ट्रांसपोज, ओके, फर्स्ट रो 0 2 3, it will become first column, so first column 0 2 3, second row -2 0 -5, now it will become second column, second row बन जाएगा second column, so -2 0 -5, now the third row -3 5 0, this will become third column, -3 5 0. Okay, are you getting it? You can observe that transpose of B and B are not same. This is B matrix, this is B transpose, both are not same नहीं है. But if I take minus sign common from all these elements, if I take minus sign common, let's check what will happen. If I take minus sign common from the matrix, from this transpose, if I take minus sign common, then sign of each and every element will get changed. अगर मैं माइनस साइन कॉमन लेता हूं तो हर एक एलिमेंट का साइन क्या हो जाएगा, चेंज हो जाएगा. 0 -2 will become 2, -3 3, 2 will become -2, 0 5 will become -5, 3 -3, -5 का क्या होगा 5, and 0 will remain as it is. Now just check it out. B transpose equal to ये माइनस साइन. अब ये जो मैट्रिक्स आपको दिख रहा है, this is minus common. Now just concentrate on this matrix. Look at this matrix. Is it same as B? Definitely, this is same as B. So you can write B transpose is equal to minus B. B transpose is equal to minus B. That means transpose of B and B are not same. They are different in sign only. Okay, elements are same but their signs are different. Okay, so transpose B transpose and B, okay, their elements are same but their signs are different. In such a case, such a matrix is called as, therefore B is called as skew symmetric matrix. Which matrix? Skew symmetric matrix. Are you getting it? So just now we have studied symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix. Now what is symmetric matrix? If transpose of a matrix and matrix both are same, then it's a symmetric matrix. अगर ट्रांसपोज और मैट्रिक्स सेम हो तो सिमेट्रिक. स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक में क्या होता है, ट्रांसपोज और मैट्रिक्स सेम होते हैं एलिमेंट्स बट उनका साइन क्या होता है, डिफरेंट. मतलब मैट्रिक्स में अगर वो एलिमेंट प्लस है तो ट्रांसपोज में वो क्या होगा, माइनस, और मैट्रिक्स में अगर वो माइनस है तो ट्रांसपोज में वो क्या होगा, प्लस. आर यू गेटिंग इट? दिस ऑल अबाउट सिमेट्रिक एंड स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स. ओके, नाउ मूविंग अहेड, we have to study or we have to solve problems from exercise 2.2, and the problems in exercise 2.2 depends completely on algebra of matrices. Now what is the algebra of matrices? Very simple algebra is there, that is addition of matrices, subtraction of matrices. That's all we have to study in exercise number 2.2. Okay, so from that PDF file I have copied down questions from exercise 2.2. So let's solve those questions, and while solving you'll come to know how to make addition of two matrices, how to make subtraction of two matrices. It's a pretty easy solutions are there. Okay, चलते हैं फिर एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन मैट्रिसेस का कैसे होता है एक्सरसाइज 2.2. So exercise 2.2, question number 1, in that they have given A, B, C. So you will have PDF file, matrix A, they have given A as 2 5 -6 -3 -4 1. This is A they have given. Then matrix B is given as -1 2 0 2 2 3 and matrix C is given as 4 minus 1 minus 2, 4 minus 1 minus 2, 3, 4, 1. Very simple example this is given. Okay, it's just the basics. And question number 1, we have to show that or prove that A plus B is equal to B plus A. This we have to prove. A plus B equal to B plus A. This we have to prove. And number 2 is A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. Okay, these two questions we have to prove or show that. Okay, so just trying the solution of first one. A plus B equal to B plus A. very easy. If you want to add or subtract two matrices, अगर आपको दो matrices add करने या फिर आपको उन्हें subtract करना है, so in such a case order of those matrices should be same. उनका ऑर्डर सेम होना चाहिए, तभी आप उन्हें ऐड या सब्ट्रैक्ट कर सकते हो. जैसे कि यहाँ पे देख रहे हो मैट्रिक्स जो ए है उसका ऑर्डर कैसे लिखते हैं पता है ना? नंबर ऑफ रोज 3, नंबर ऑफ कॉलम्स 2. तो ऑर्डर क्या हो गया इसका? ऑर्डर ऑफ मैट्रिक्स ए 3 into 2, 3 रोज 2 कॉलम. तो ऑर्डर ऑफ मैट्रिक्स ए इज 3 into 2. ऑर्डर ऑफ मैट्रिक्स बी अगेन 3 रोज 2 कॉलम, 3 into 2. ऑर्डर ऑफ मैट्रिक्स सी 3 रोज 2 column, 3 into 2. So A, B, C, all three have same order, 3 into 2. That's why you can add them, you can subtract them. But if their order is not same, you cannot add such matrices. Are you getting it? To add or subtract, order should be same. First one, A plus B, very easy. A plus B, A plus B. Just write down A, 2, 5, minus 6, minus 3, minus 4, 1. Plus B, minus 1, 2, 0, 2, 2, 3. Now add them. While adding these two matrices, you have to add elements at the respective position. मतलब जो जहां पे वही ऐड होगा. मतलब फर्स्ट रो फर्स्ट कॉलम का एलिमेंट ये है यहाँ पे, तो यहीं पे फर्स्ट रो फर्स्ट कॉलम में कौन है? -1. तो 2 और -1 का ही एडिशन होगा. आर यू गेटिंग इट? तो element at the respective position must be added from both the matrices. पोजीशन सेम होना चाहिए उन एलिमेंट्स का, उन्हीं को आप ऐड कर सकते हो. सो लेट्स ट्राई. 2 प्लस -1. प्लस माइनस मतलब माइनस ना, सो स्ट्रेट अवे आई एम राइटिंग 2 -1. आर यू गेटिंग इट? देन -3 प्लस विच एलिमेंट? 2. -3 plus 2. This we have to write over here. -3 plus 2. First row, second column. Getting it? Now, second row, first column 5. Here, second row, first column 2. So 5 plus 2. Where should I write? Here. Second row, first column 5 plus 2. Now, second row, second column -4. Second row, second column 2. So -4 plus 2. Where should I write? Here. -4 plus 2. Are you getting it? Same way, -6 plus 0. -6 plus 0 and 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3. Are you getting it? Is that difficult? Too difficult लग रहा है आपको? Very simple. Now just make a calculation. So here, okay, you just write one below the other. 2 minus 1 is 1. -3 plus 2 is -1. 5 plus 2 is 7. -4 plus 2, that is -2. -6 plus 0, -6, 1 plus 3, 4. This is your A plus B. Okay, question number 1. Same way now you have to find B plus है ना? So write down now B plus A. So first write down B matrix. -1, 2, 0, 2, 2, 3 plus A matrix 2, 5, -6. -3, -4, 1. Now just add them. Addition. -4 plus 2. Sorry, -1 plus 2. So -1 plus 2. Then 2 plus -3 मतलब 2 minus 3. 2 plus 5. 2 plus 5. 2 plus -4 means 2 minus 4. 2 minus 4. 0 plus -6 means 0 minus 6. And then 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1. So what's the answer? The answer will be minus 1 plus 2. 2 minus 1, 1. 2 minus 3, minus 1. 2 plus 5, 7. 2 minus 4, minus 2. 0 minus 6, minus 6. 3 plus 1, 4. This is question number 2. Now just check it out from 1 and 2. From 1, a plus b, 1, 7, minus 6, minus 1, minus 2, 4. B plus a, 1, 7, minus 6, minus 1, minus 2, 4. Are they same or not? Yes, both are same. So here you can write from 1 and 2. Where should I write? So therefore, from 1 and 2, a plus b equal to b plus a, hence proved. Are you getting it? Is it difficult? Very simple. Now the second one, in the second problem, we want a plus b then plus c and a plus b plus c. तो जो ब्रैकेट में है a plus b वो पहले फाइंड आउट करना है हमें. अगेन b plus c भी है वहां पे, जो ब्रैकेट है वो पहले फाइंड आउट करते हैं. देन वी विल शो LHS इक्वल टू RHS. ओके, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फाइंड आउट additions given in the brackets and then first find LHS then find RHS. So let's try a plus b. So we have already got in LHS we want a plus b ना, so a plus b already we have got a plus b. A plus b तो मिल चुका है क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 के लिए. So here let's start with question number 2. A plus b. Then what we want? B plus c. Now b plus c. We got a plus b. Now we have to find b plus c. Now b plus c. Okay, matrix B. Minus 1, 2, 0, 2, 2, 3. Plus c. Matrix C. 4, minus 1, minus 2, 3, 4, 1. Now just we have to add them. Okay, so let's add them same way. Just now we have done the same way, we have to add them. Minus 1 plus 4. Are you getting it? So I think no need to show each and every step. Straight away you can write answer. Where should I write? Equal to minus 1 plus 4. Minus 1 plus 4. Then 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3. 2 plus minus 1 means 2 minus 1. 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4. 0 plus minus 2. 0 minus 2. And then 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1. So finally you'll get b plus c is equal to minus 1 plus 4 means 4 minus 1 कितना आएगा 3. 2 plus 3 5. 2 minus 1 1. 2 plus 4 6. Then 0 minus 2 minus 2. 3 plus 1 4. Okay, so now we got a plus b and b plus c. दो मिल गया. Now take LHS and then RHS. Okay, so let me clear this to get LHS and RHS. Okay, in LHS I want a plus b plus c, and in RHS I want a plus b plus c. Okay, so LHS, I can write therefore a plus b plus c equal to a plus b plus c. So the value for a plus b we have got already. This is the a plus b. So put that value. A plus b का value already मिला है आपको 1 7 minus 6. Then minus 1 minus 2 and 4. This is a plus b plus c. Matrix C. C is given as 4 minus 1 minus 2. 4 minus 1 minus 2. 3 4 1. 3 4 1. This is C. Okay. Now just add them. अब उनको खाली add करना है आपको. So simply you can add them. Where should I write? Okay, here we have to add them. 1 plus 4, that is 5 minus 1 plus 3 means 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. 7 plus minus 1 means 7 minus 1 6. Minus 2 plus 4 means 4 minus 2, that is 2. Then minus 6 plus minus 2 means minus 6 minus 2. Minus 6 minus 2 minus 8. And then 4 plus 1, that is 5. Okay, this is your a plus b plus c. Okay, this is A plus B. We have already found A plus B, that value, plus this is C matrix. Then just add them, you will get the answer. A plus B plus C. Now we have to find, also we have to find what? A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C. Okay, that we have to find. A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C. So A plus B plus C equal to A. First of all, we have to write A. So what is the value of A? Matrix A. 2, 5, minus 6, and then minus 3, minus 4, 1. This is matrix A. Minus 3, minus 4, 1. So this is matrix A plus B plus C. Now the value for B plus C is this one. Okay. So just write down plus. Value for B plus C is 3, 1, minus 2, then 5, 6, 4. 5, 6, 4. Now we have to just add. अब इनको ऐड करना है आपको. 2 plus 3, how much? 5. Minus 3 plus 5 means 5 minus 3, how much? 2. 5 plus 1, 6. Minus 4 plus 6 means 6 minus 4, how much? 2. Minus 6 plus minus 2 means minus 6 minus 2, minus 8. 1 plus 4, 1 plus 4, 5. Number 2. Now just check it out. Equation 1 and equation 2. 1, 5, 6 minus 8, 2, 5, 6 minus 8. 1, 2, 2, 5, 2, 2, 2, 5. Means both the values are same. Finished. Therefore, from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, what is it? A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. Hence proved. Okay, so nothing difficult in it. Just we have to add, okay, respective number only. Yeah? Means if it is first row first column, then that number should get added to the number in first row first column from another matrix. तो जो यहाँ पे फर्स्ट रो फर्स्ट कॉलम में है वो सेकंड मैट्रिक्स में जो फर्स्ट रो फर्स्ट कॉलम में होगा उसी से ऐड होगा. उतना ही सोचना है, बाकी कुछ है नहीं. तो अगर सिली मिस्टेक किया तो ही प्रॉब्लम रॉन्ग होगा, अदरवाइज कुछ है ही नहीं इसमें. बहुत ही सिंपल सिस्टम है. इज इट क्लियर? सो नेक्स्ट मूव टुवर्ड्स क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. प्रीटी सिंपल क्वेश्चन एंड such type of questions are asked in board exam. Very simple question is that. What they have asked. Simple question is given, question number 2. They have given A plus B plus C. Okay, A is given, B is given, and we want to find A minus 2B plus 6i, where I is the unit matrix of order 2. Very simple sum. Question number 2. A is given like this. Matrix A. 1 minus 2, 5, 3. 1 minus 2, 5, 3. This is matrix A. They have given matrix A. Then matrix B is given. B is given as 1 minus 3, 4 minus 7. 1 minus 3, 4 minus 7. This is matrix B. Okay. And I is the unit matrix of order 2. So unit matrix of order 2. So, okay. In our previous video, we have studied unit matrix of order 2. Means diagonal should be 1 and other element should be 0. So this is 1, 0, 0, 1. This is unit matrix of order 2. So we got A, B and I. A, B, I अपने पास है, बराबर है. And now we have to find what? A minus 2B plus 6i. Very simple. So therefore A minus 2B plus 6i. This is what we have to find. So easy. As per the given requirement, just write down A. Value for A 1 minus 2 5 3 minus 2B. The value for B is 1 minus 3 4 minus 7. A minus 2B plus 6i plus 6. Value for I 1 0 0 1. Finish. Clear? A matrix A -2 B matrix B plus 6 I matrix I. Is that clear? Now this 2 will multiply each and every element from the matrix. Okay, 2 is multiplying to the complete matrix, means this 2 will multiply to each and every, मतलब ये जो 2 है वो सभी को मल्टीप्लाई करने वाला है. एट द सेम टाइम ये जो 6 है वो भी सभी एलिमेंट्स को मल्टीप्लाई करेगा. सो व्हाट विल यू गेट हियर? फर्स्ट मैट्रिक्स एज इट इज 1 -2 5 3. दिस इज एज इट इज. माइनस साइन, कीप इट एज इट इज. Here 2 will multiply to each and every element, सभी को मल्टीप्लाई करेगा. 2 1s are 2, 2 into -3 -6, 2 4s are 8, 2 into -7 -14. प्लस नाउ ये 6 है वो मल्टीप्लाई करेगा सबको, तो 6 1s are 6 into 0 into 0, 6 1s are 6. Finished. Clear? Now add and subtract. Here subtract and here add. Respective element मतलब फर्स्ट रो फर्स्ट कॉलम में 1 है, इधर फर्स्ट रो फर्स्ट कॉलम में 2 है और यहाँ पे कौन है 6. तो 1 2 और 6 के बीच में एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन चलेगा. आर यू गेटिंग इट? द सेम वे -2 -6 एंड 0. समझ में आ रहा है? तो लेट्स स्टार्ट. फर्स्ट 1. ओके, फ्रॉम हियर माइनस साइन इज देयर एंड द एलिमेंट इज 2. सो 1 -2 एंड देन प्लस 6 प्लस 6. दिस इज योर फर्स्ट एलिमेंट. ये एक एलिमेंट हो गया. First row, first column. This is your one element. Are you getting it? Then here means first row, second column. Here we have to write element -2. Minus means plus. So -2 plus 6 and then 0 plus 0. Are you getting it? So -2 minus of -6 means plus 6 plus 0. हो गया. अब फर्स्ट रो थर्ड कॉलम है क्या? नहीं है ना, तो इसके आगे कुछ आने वाला नहीं है. Now here second row first column, which is the element 5 minus 8 plus 0. So 5 minus 8 plus 0. Second row first column. Okay. Now here second row second column, element 3 minus plus 14 plus 6. So 3 plus 14 plus 6. That will give you the final answer. So therefore A minus 2B plus 6I is equal to 1 plus 6 7, 7 minus 2 5, 6 minus 2 4, 5 minus 8 minus 3, 3 plus 14. How much? 17. 17 plus 6 23. Finished. Is that clear? कुछ डिफिकल्ट लग रहा है आपको? A -2 B plus 6 I. 2 मल्टीप्लाई करेगा, यहाँ पे 6 मल्टीप्लाई करेगा और बाद में माइनस है तो माइनस और प्लस है तो प्लस. इज इट क्लियर? वेरी सिंपल सम. द सेम वे इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 they have given matrix A, matrix B and then we have to find matrix C such that A plus B plus C is a zero matrix. Oh my god, very simple sum is given. A plus B plus C is a zero matrix. A and B are given, C is not given. But condition is that A plus B plus C is a zero matrix. Okay. Given that A plus B plus C equal to zero matrix, मतलब जीरो है. अब इसमें से A और B उन्होंने दिया है, C नहीं दिया है ना. बहुत सिंपल है. तो ये जो दोनों आपको C चाहिए ना, तो ये जो दोनों यहाँ पे प्लस है वहां पे जाके क्या होंगे? माइनस. सो देयरफॉर यू विल गेट C is equal to 0 minus A minus B. 0 minus A minus B. Okay. Now 0 is a zero matrix ना. 0 क्या है? जीरो मैट्रिक्स है, बराबर है. तो जो A और B का ऑर्डर होगा वही 0 का ऑर्डर होगा. तो मैट्रिक्स A इज गिवन ऑफ ऑर्डर 3 into 3. A जो दिया है प्रॉब्लम में वो 3 into 3 ऑर्डर का है. तो अपना 0 भी क्या होगा? 3 into 3 ऑर्डर का. बराबर. वो नहीं लिखा तो भी चलता है एक्चुअली. 0 माइनस A माइनस B का जो आंसर है वो माइनस A माइनस B ही आने वाला है. बट फर्स्ट सम है तो हम लोग लिखेंगे यहाँ पे. सो देयरफॉर C इज इक्वल टू 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. ओके. जीरो इज द जीरो मैट्रिक्स। ये ऐसा इतना ही क्यों लिखा है, मतलब 3 रो 3 कॉलम क्यों लिए? बिकॉज ए और बी में भी उतने ही रो और उतने ही कॉलम है। अब ए और बी कहाँ है तो प्रॉब्लम में दिया है, क्वेश्चन में दिया हुआ है। सो माइनस ए नाउ ए मैट्रिक्स इज गिवन 1 minus 3 0 1 minus 3 0 then 2 7 minus 6 2 7 minus 6 and then minus 3 minus 8 1 minus 3 minus 8 1. This is A. Minus B, matrix B is also given 9 minus 4 4 9 minus 4 4. Second column minus 1 2 0 minus 1 2 0 and third column 2 5 minus 3 2 5 minus 3. Yes. So now make a calculation. No need to say anything, na? Just a calculation. 0 then minus 1 then minus 9. 0 minus 1 minus 9. Next 0 minus 2 minus of minus मतलब plus 1. 0 minus 2 plus 1 then 0 minus of minus 3 0 plus 3 and then minus 2 minus 2. Are you getting it? The same way you have to write all other elements. इसी तरीके से आपको बाकी सब का कैलकुलेशन करना है, ठीक है? तो मैं कर रहा हूं यहाँ पे, तो 0 then minus minus plus 3 then minus minus plus 4 again 0 minus 7 0 minus 7 minus 2 then 0 minus minus 8 मतलब plus 8 minus 5 then again 0 minus 4 then 0 minus मतलब 0 plus 6 then minus 0 and the last element 0 minus 1 0 minus 1 minus मतलब plus 3 मतलब जो पोजीशन पे जो नंबर है उन्हीं को ऐड करना है। मतलब थर्ड रो फर्स्ट कॉलम में यहाँ 0 है तो थर्ड रो फर्स्ट कॉलम में यहाँ 0 है तो ये 0 और ये 0 क्या है सब्ट्रैक्ट ना, तो सब्ट्रैक्ट होगा। फिर थर्ड रो फर्स्ट कॉलम में यहाँ कौन है 4 है तो क्या करना है सब्ट्रैक्ट, तो वो 4 सब्ट्रैक्ट मतलब 0 minus 0 minus 4 0 minus 0 minus 4 यहाँ पे है। हाँ, इज दैट क्लियर? सो इसी तरीके से आपको फाइनल आंसर लिखना है। सो जस्ट राइट डाउन द फाइनल आंसर। फाइनल आंसर क्या आएगा फिर इसका कैलकुलेशन करो। -1 minus 9 minus 10 minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 3 minus 2 1 3 plus 4 7 minus 7 minus 2 minus 9 8 minus 5 3 0 minus 4 minus 4 6 minus 1 plus 3 3 minus 1 2. So this is the value for matrix C. Okay, very simple. If you make a silly mistake of minus sign, addition, subtraction, then only you will lose the marks. Otherwise, no way, no chance of losing in a single or a half mark. Okay, such a simple sums are these.